Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can create a white background for your video or image or logo in Adobe Premiere 2019. So it's really pretty easy. You have a timeline, then you have a project here. Go here to this button, click here or right click, new item, color matte, or with button here, color matte. Okay. And now you have option the color you want to choose. You are going to here to the white one. Okay, color matte. Take it, grab it and paste it on your timeline. Make it bigger, shorter, stronger. You know how it goes. And that's how we make it. This is how you get the background. And also you can't even play anything on it because there is nothing here. It's just a color matte. So if you enjoyed this video, you know how it goes. You can support this channel with subscribe. I will really thank for that. And again, thank you all everybody. Goodbye and peace.